Hello children, welcome to Junior Maths Olympiad online class. In today's video from 6th grade, fractions and decimals topic we are going to learn. So let's start with level 1 practice sheet questions. Here is the first question children, and the question is, which option gives an equivalent fraction of 13 by 25. So here the given fraction is 13 by 25 children. We have 4 more options. We have to find out which fraction will be equivalent to the given fraction. So here 2 fractions are said to be equivalent, though the numerators are different, though the denominators are different. If they have the same value, like 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, these 3 are different fractions, but their value is same. 2 by 4 can be simplified to 1 by 2. 3 by 6 can be simplified to 1 by 2. Like that, though they look different, if they have the same value, they are said to be equivalent, which means if one fraction is multiplied or divided by the same quantity, then the resulting fraction is said to be equivalent to the first one. Let's see the option A children. Here we have 65. 13 5 times 65. 25 2 times 50. Means these two numbers are multiplied by different numbers. So this is not equivalent to the given fraction. Option A is wrong. Second one, 13 2 times 26, 25 3 times 75, multiplied by different numbers, wrong. 13 156, 13 1 is 13, 13 2 times 26, 12 times, 25 12 times 300. In 156 by 300, the numerator and denominator both are multiplied by 12 with the given fraction. So we are getting this one. So these two are said to be equivalent because they are multiplied by the same number. If we divide with 12, then 12 13 times 156, 12 25 times 300, we will get 13 by 25. Value will be same to the given fraction. So option C is correct. So this is a single correct option. So one option is correct children. So no need to check with option D. So option C is correct. Next, second question. What is the mixed fraction form of 41 by 12? In given question, we have 41 by 12 children. Here numerator is more than denominator. So this is called improper fraction. Improper fraction. So improper fraction we can write as a combination of whole number plus fraction. Whole number plus fraction. The combination of whole number and fraction is called mixed fraction. So this 41 by 12 we have to write in a combination of whole number and fraction. So it is considered as mixed fraction. So let's divide 41 with 12. 12 3 times 36. 5 will be remaining. So the quotient is 3. Remainder is 5. Remainder is 5. So 3 5 by 12. So 3 5 by 12. Option C is correct. Combination of whole number, combination of fraction. So mixed fraction. So answer option C is correct. Next children. Third question. What is the simplified form of the product 12 by 24 and 36 by 72? We have fractions 12 by 24 and 36 by 72 children. We have to find out their product but in simplified form. While doing the product, we have to check for cancellation, children. 12 2 times 24, 2 18 times 36, 18 1 times 18, 18 4 times 72. So 1 by 4 is the simplified form of the product of given fractions. So option D is right. Next children, fourth question. Give an example for a proper fraction. What is the meaning of proper fraction, children? If you have numerator and denominator in a fraction, if the numerator value is less than denominator, then it is called proper fraction. In option A, 28 is greater, so this is wrong. In option B, 11 is smaller than 23. This is an example of proper fraction. 16 by 9, greater, wrong. 14 by 3, greater, wrong. So option B is right. Next children, fifth one. What is the fractional form of 5/18? 5/18. What is the fractional form? So total, if we have an object, if you make it 4 equal parts, then one part is considered as 1 by 4. Out of 4 parts, 1 part. So this is 1/4. It is called 1/4. In the same manner, we have 5/18. So this 18 parts. In an object, total parts are 18. In that, we have to mention fractional form of 5/18. 5 parts out of 18 parts. That fractional form we have to write down. 15 by 18 wrong, 18 by 5 wrong, 5.18 wrong, 5 by 18th correct. 5 parts out of 18 parts. 5 by 18th, this is the required fractional form. Next children, sixth one. Which fraction represents the shaded part of this given figure? In the given figure, we have 3 boxes, children. Total 3 boxes are there. In that, 2 boxes are completely filled and 1 box is half filled. So 2 complete boxes filled. We can write it as a whole number 2. This one of 2 parts means half part of box is filled. So we can write 1 by 2. Means if we consider this box as this box as 2 parts, out of 2 parts only 1 part is filled. We can write it as 1 by 2. 2 complete boxes 2. This incomplete box half, 2 and half. The fraction represents 2 and half. So option C is right. 1 minute, children. Next children. 7th question. So here the question is 1 minute, children. The question is, what are the fractions with the same denominator called? If you observe the fractions 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, we have 3 different fractions here where numerators are different but denominators are same. Like these fractions are called like fractions. If the denominators are same in different fractions, so then they are considered as like fractions, children. So here option C is right. Next, 8th question. Raju scored 9 marks in maths test. If the maximum marks of the test is 25, how is Raju's score represented as fraction? So they have conducted a maths test which is for 25 marks, out of which Raju has secured only 9 marks. So this can be represented as a fraction as 9 by 25. Means 9 marks out of 25 marks he got. So 9 by 25 is the correct answer. Option C is right. Next children. Which of the following fractions is the largest? Out of 4 fractions, which one is largest? If you observe here children, in all the 4 fractions, numerators are same. Numerators are same. But denominators are different. Denominators are different. To find out the largest fraction, as the numerators are same, if the denominator is small, then its value will be more. Same numerator with the small denominator, value will be more. Out of 30, 23, 27, 25, which denominator is small? This 23 is small. So this fraction B value will be largest compared to all. So option B is right. Next children, what is the value of this total combination of fractions combined with the help of brackets and this plus operator, minus operator, like that? We have to simplify this and we have to find out the value of this combination of fractions. Let's see the solution children. So this is the given fraction. 1 minute. So this is the combination children. 1 minute. Some problem with pen. 1 minute. This is the combination here children. So while simplifying the fractions, when we have more number of fractions combined with these operators, mathematical operators, then we have to simplify the fractions which are in the brackets. So let's start from right side children. So here we have this one, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3 inside the bracket. So let's solve this one first. 1 minute children. Let's solve this one first. 2, 3 LCM is 6. 2, 3 times 6. 3, 3 times 9. We can write 9 here. 3, 2 times 6. 2, 1 is 2. 9 by 2 will come. 9 minus 2 is 7. So this combination will become 7 by 6. So this small bracket will be removed. Next, beside that we are having minus 5 by 2. 5 by 2 minus we have. 5 by 2 minus 7 by 6. So this will come in flower braces. This we have to simplify now. Again 2, 6 LCM is 6. 2, 3 times 6. 3 into 5. We can write as 15. 6 1 times 6. 1 into 7. 7 we can write here. 15 minus 7, which is equal to 8 by 6. But this 8 by 6 can be written as 2 4 times, 2 3 times. We can write it as 4 by 3 in simplified form. So we can write it as 4 by 3 or 8 by 6. We can write it as 8 by 6. Next we have 7 by 4. Next we have 37 by 12. As the remaining 3 fractions are combined by plus operator, so no need of brackets. Directly we can add them all. So 12, 4. Here 8 by 6 means 4 by 3 we can write it as 12, 4, 3. LCM is 12. 12, 1 is 12. 1 into 37. 37 children, sorry here, 37. 4, 3 times 12. 3 into 7, 21. 3, 4 times 12. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. Now 37 plus 21 plus 16. How much? 74 by 12. 2 37 times, 2 6 times. We can write it as 37 by 6, which is improper fraction. If we convert it as mixed fraction, 6 times 36, 6 will be the quotient, 1 will be the remainder, 6 will be the divisor. So 6 1 by 6 is the mixed fraction. It is the answer. So option C is correct here. 10th question. Next children. 11th. What should be added to 11 by 17? What should be added to 11 by 17 so that to make it 15 by 17? 15 by 17. So if we add what, then it will become 15 by 17. If we add what fraction, x by y, then it will become 15 by 17. As this 17 denominators are same, in the missing fraction also denominator to be taken is 17. So then if the denominators are same, then only numerator difference, whatever difference is there, that we have to consider. So for 11, if we add what number, it will become 15. We have to add 4. Means out of 17 parts, 11 parts are there. To make them 15 parts, if we add 4 more parts out of 17, so then it will become 15 by 17. 11 by 17 plus 4 by 17 equal to 15 by 17. So the missing fraction is 4 by 17. Next children. So what do you call fractions with different denominators? So fractions with the different denominators, if the denominators are different, so then we call them as unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. They may be proper or improper, that we cannot tell. But if the denominators are different, we can surely tell that they are unlike fractions. So B option is correct. Next children, 13th. What type of fraction is the sum? 3 by 4 plus 2 by 4. If we do the sum, 3 by 4 plus 2 by 4, whatever sum we are getting, that sum is which kind of fraction? That is the question. If we add these two fractions, as the denominators are same, like fractions, we can take the denominator as 4 and numerator simply we can add. 3 plus 2 how much? 5. So the resulting fraction is 5 by 4, where numerator is greater than denominator, which is an example of improper fraction. Which is an example of improper fraction. But there is a chance of writing it as mixed fraction. But here they have not asked in detail. So that's why simply if we take the sum, the immediate result is 5 by 4, which is improper. If we simplify it, then it may be mixed fraction. But for time being, for this question, immediate answer is improper fraction. Next children, 14th question. Which of these makes a whole? 1 half can't be whole. 2 halves. If we take 2 halves, means half plus half, which can be 1. 2 halves. 3 halves cannot be 1. It will become 1 and a half. 5 halves, it will become 2 and a half. So answer is 2 halves. If we take 2 half portions, then if we combine them, it will become 1. Next question children, 15th question. 2 by 5 equal to dash by 15. What number should replace in the given equation? Here they have given 2 by 5 equals to one more fraction. LHS side fraction equivalent to RHS side fraction. When they will become equal, though the numerator and denominator are different, if they represent same value, then they become equal or equivalent. Means they should be multiplied or divided by the same number. 5 3 times 15. Here denominator is multiplied by 3. In the same way, numerator also, if it is multiplied by 3, 2 3 times 6. So then 6 by 15 will be equivalent to 2 by 5. So the missing numerator part is 6. So D option is correct. So that's all for today, children. Remaining questions we can discuss in our next video. Thank you, children. Have a good day.